Hi everyone, I am M. Purnima Devi from SNS College of Technology, working as an assistant professor in Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Today I am going to discuss about full stack AI ல Python functions, built-in functions பார்க்க போகிறோம். So workflows can be made with Python and other technologies. Database systems are connectable with Python. Files can also be read and changed by it. Big data management and advanced mathematical operations can both be done with Python. The syntax of Python is straightforward and resembles that of English. So Python syntax enables programmers to create programs with fewer lines of code than they would be able to with certain other languages. Python operates on an interpreted system, allowing for the immediate execution of written code. Python provides a lot of built-in functions, that is the returning of code. In this article, you will learn about Python's built-in functions, exploring their various applications, and highlighting some of the most commonly used ones. Built-in Python built-in functions list. Function name. So here have many of the functions name, built-in functions name in Python. So Python apps function, Python's iter function, Python all function, Python any function, Python annex function, Python async function, Python bin function, Python bool function, breakpoint function, byte array function, bytes function, callable function, character function, class method function, function compile, function complex, so deleter function, dit function, dir function, live mode function, Python enumerate function, validate function, execute function, filter function, float function, format function, pros and set, hash global function, hashtag function, tuple function, and time function. Here are the basics some of the functions in Python. So string different literals. A literal in Python is a syntax that is used to completely express a fixed value of a specific data type. Literals are constants that are self-explanatory and don't need to be computed or evaluated. They are used to provide variable values or to directly utilize them in expressions. Generally, literals are a notification for representing a fixed value in source code. They can also be defined as raw values or data given in variables or constants. In this article, we will explore the different types of literals in Python along with examples to demonstrate their usage. Confident variables, operator, constants. Types of literals in Python. Python supports various types of results such as numeric, string, boolean, and more. Let's explore different types of literals in Python with examples. String literals, character, numeric, boolean, literal, and specific literals. Python string literals. So a string is literal and can be created by returning a text group of characters surrounded by a single, double, or triple quotes. We can write multiple line strings or display them in the desired way by using triple quotes. Here, Greek for Greeks is a string literal that has assigned to a variable. So here is an example of Python string literal. Example, here is given on program. So in single quote s equal to Greek for weeks, in double quotes t equal to Greek for kids. It contains two quotes, multi-times it contains a multiple more than one, so 1 2 3 3 quotes, Greek for Greeks. So print s, print t, print m. The output is Greek for geeks, Greek for weeks, and Greek for 6. Python character literal. It is also a type of Python string literal which where a single character is surrounded by single or double quotes. Example, character literal in single quote A equal to N, character literal in double quotes W equal to A, print V, print W, output N. A Python numeric literal, and they are immutable, and there are three types of numeric literal: integer, float, and complex. Integer, both positive and negative numbers including 0. There should not be any fractional part. In this example, we assigned an interior literal. So here interior literals into different values. So A is a binary literal, B decimal literal, C octaliteral, and D hexadecimal literal. But on using the print function to display a value or to get the output, they were converted into decimal. Examples: integer decimal binary value I can give, and decimal literal I can give, and octal literal I can give. So in hexadecimal rectangle, it converts. So print A, B, C. The output is 20, 50, 208, and 299. So these are real numbers having both integer and fractional parts. In this example, 24.8 and 45.0 are floating point literals becomes both 24.8 and 45 are floating point. Here the output for float literals is equal to a given value. If equal to a given some value, so print EF, the output is 24.8, 45.0 complex. And the numerals will be done in the form of a plus b. So complex is a represents I and j, where a is the real part and b is the complex part, numeric literal complex. Example is equal to 7 plus 5j. Here j represents the complex, real part is 0. Here k equal to 7j. Say print key zk. The answer is given below. Python Boolean literal, there are only the true Boolean literals in Python. There are true and false in Python. True represents the values as 1 and false represents the values as 0. In this example, A is true and B is false because 1 is equal to true. Example, A equal to 1 equal to true, B equal to 1 equal to false, C equal to true plus 3, D equal to false plus 7. Print A is A, print B is B, print C is C, print D is D. Output A is true, B is false, C is 2, 4 and D is to 7. Python literal collections. Python provides 4 different types of literal collections: list literals, tuple literals, dictionary literals, and set characters. List literal. List contains items of different data types. The values stored in the list are separated by a command enclosed with the square brackets. We can store different types of data in a list. Lists are immutable. Example, number equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, name equal to Amit, Kamir, Bhaskar, 2, print number, print name, so name is given. So next I am going to discuss about a tuple literal. A tuple is a collection of different data type. It is enclosed by the parenthesis double bracket, and each element is separated by the comma. It is immutable. Example, even number equal to given, and odd even they can given. Print even number, print odd number, output 2, 4, 6, 8. So 1, 3, 5, 7 is an result. Dictionary literal. The dictionary stores the data in the key value pair. It is enclosed by curved braces, and each pair is separated by comma. We can store different types of data in a dictionary. Dictionaries are mutable. Example, alphabets A, apple, B, ball, C, cat. Information, name, Amit, age, 20, ID. It can get so print alphabets and print information. The output is ready. Set literal. Set is the collection of unordered data set. It is enclosed by the double bracket, and each element is separated by the comma. Example, vowels equal to A, E, I, O, U. Fruits, apple, banana, cherry. Print vowels, print fruits, and the output is given. Python special literal. Python contains one special literal, none. None is used to define a null variable. If none is compared with anything else other than a none, it will return false. Example, water remain equal to none. Print water remain, output none. So here I am discuss about the built-in functions. Thank you everyone.